I will ask you to close your eyes. Don't close it right now. I ask you to close your eyes and then think about there's a big screen in front of you. There is a big screen in front of you. And give it a color, white color maybe. And then I'll ask you with your eyes closed to think about the person you like most. Think about a person you like most. I'm not going to ask you who that person is, so don't worry. Think about really juicy one. Huh? And then when you think about the person you like most, the picture will pop up on the screen, left, right, somewhere. With your right hand, you have to lift your right hand like this and point to the location where you see it. Now, those visual people, the picture will stay there a little longer. Those of you are not visual, picture may come and go. Doesn't matter. Check it where it comes from. Go up, down, there. So point there. Now, so put there. And then keep your hand there like this, wherever it is. And then ask you to think about the person you don't like. Don't like doesn't mean that you hate a person. Understand? And with your left hand point to the location. And then with your eyes closed, I'll ask you to do something interesting. You understand? Don't imagine only. Use your hand physically. Close your eyes now. When I guide you, then do it. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Now imagine there is a big screen in front of you and think about the person you like most. And as you do like most, notice where the picture pops in, up, down, down, where it is. It may come for a fraction of go or stay there. So lift your right hand and point to that location. Lift your right hand, point to with your finger to that location. Keep your hand there. Keep your hand there. Keep your hand there. And now, think about the person you don't like. Doesn't mean you hate. No feeling. It can be anybody. Pick that person in your mind and then lift your right hand, point to that location. Keep both of your hand there. Don't remove your hand. Keep your hand. I need to see both of your hand. You can see your hands are pointing to a different direction, right? Now take the picture of the person you don't like from that location and try to move it to the location you like and just see what happens. Not moving? Open your eyes and come back. Relax. Now type here. Which picture was more colorful? If the like picture is there, so say L, or dislike to D. Which picture was more colorful? Like. Very good. Which picture was more closer to you? Like. Which picture was more 3D? Like. Am I right? Now understand, my friend. Listen carefully. We saw location different. We saw picture quality different. We saw the size difference. This is called in NLP submodality. So for example, the picture, is it bright, colorful, dull? Picture is there. So these are called submodalities. You know what I call? Listen carefully, my friend. I call it mind Vastu Shastra. Why? You might have noticed the liking finger was going in some other location, disliking was going in another location. That means in my mind, we have a location for dislike, we have a decision for like. Clear? Now, do you want a secret? $1 million secret. Yes, I'll tell you. My friend, most of the time, liking or disliking locations are straight or to the right, most of the time. Or dislike is to the left or the. Now, you want to influence somebody, my friend, 90% of the time, 10% may be wrong, huh? 90% time, listen carefully. When you want to convince somebody, you want to persuade somebody, where you will like to sit, on his left or on his right. Right, that's right, my friend. You could influence them because you're sitting on a location where they like a person. So rejection is not there. I'll tell you, when I do my workshop, sometime I do like this. Let me pick up this Cadbury. Yeah? Now, look here and notice, would you like to have it? Don't say anything. Now, look here. Would you like to have it? Feeling is changed, right? This is the power of locations, some modalities. So this is a big secret. If you're going for negotiation, let me tell you my experience. I opened a company in 2013, multi-level marketing company, and we closed the company in 2017. We closed the company. On my income tax commissioner, you know, he was trying to squeeze some money from me. So he was sending some all notices. My CA went there because we already closed. It's a lost company, nothing is there, but it's still bothering us. So we paid him something to close the case. But he was transferred without taking the money, but not done the job. Now, listen carefully. A new commissioner came in. He immediately called my chartered accountant. He said, I would like to meet. What is the problem? My CA told him exactly what happened. Then he Googled me and he find out who I am. Okay, you bring it to my office. I want to talk to him. I went there. Listen carefully, my friend. Now, in the chamber is one chair in front of me and that two chairs in front of him. The moment I entered, I grabbed the chair on his right, or my CA was sitting on his left. See what happened. Immediately, when talking to him for 2, 3, 5 minutes, he asked my CA to go out. And then he talked to me. And then he talked to me about his mental problem, which I solved. And the next day morning, without doing anything, my problem was solved. He passed the order. So this is why I always make sure, if you don't know about the person, always make sure you're either sitting in the front of him or little right of him. And then when you give a presentation, if you don't get a chance to sit, don't give a presentation, don't pursue them. Wait for the chance, the other person get up, occupy the chair and do it. So this is something very, very powerful, my friend, you can use. Clear? Did you like this trick? I want to tell you about something very interesting right now, which you can use it maybe today also. I was conducting a workshop in Mumbai many, many years back. And that was an NLP workshop where I talk about this technique. And after the workshop, it was in Andheri. The workshop was somewhere in some hotel in Andheri. So with the two participants of the workshop, they came out, they came together. They came out, they wanted to go home. So they went to an auto rickshaw. You know, the line of auto rickshaws were there. And they asked the auto rickshaw. Normally, when we are asking auto rickshaw to go, we are on their left side. Am I right? ऑटो रिक्शा खड़ा है, उसके लेफ्ट साइड में पूछते हैं चलेगा क्या, विल यू गो? 3 auto rickshaws said no, no, and no. They realize what is happening. So the fourth rickshaw, auto rickshaw, they don't ask them. They turn themselves and go to his right and ask him, we want to go there, will you go? Yes, sir. Come and sit down. Try this. Use this, it will work. So, is this tip good? If it is good, type how good it is. How much good it is. And think about where and how you can utilize it. Now, this is called submodalities.